Hari Om. Could we request the members of the audience not to bring any eatables and drinks inside the auditorium, please? After hearing such foot-tapping music, our dance troops can't be held back anymore. We now present a dance ballet based on Gita Dhyanam, presented by the Navi Mumbai Balvihar children and the Mumbai Chicks.
Om. The Bhagavad Gita, which was imparted to Parth or Arjun by Lord Narayan, that is Krishna himself, was composed and incorporated into the middle of the Mahabharata by the ancient sage Ved Vyas. Its 18 chapters shower the divine nectar of Advaita, the vision of oneness. Upon you, Blessed Mother, I constantly meditate because you are the destroyer of samsara, the cycle of change, death and rebirth. Let us chant, study, know and live the Gita.
प्रतिबोधिता भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणी भगवती अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणे भवद्वेषिणे भवद्वेषिणे.
I salute you, Vyas of supreme intellect. Your eyes are like petals of a fully blossomed lotus, and by you, the lamp of knowledge, filled with the oil of the Mahabharata, has been ignited. May we possess the vision of Shri Ved Vyas. I salute Krishna, who is like the Parijat tree, or the tree of fulfillment. He fulfills all the desires of those who surrender to him. He wields a cane in one hand, with which he herds cattle home. He holds the Gyan Mudra, or the symbol of self-knowledge, and milks the Gita nectar. May our hearts be filled with devotion for Krishna.
प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृततुल्ये नमः। प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृततुल्ये नमः।
All the Upanishads are like cows. The son of the cowherd, Krishna, is the milkman. Parth, Arjun, is the calf. Men of purified intellect drink the milk. The supreme nectar of the Gita is the milk. May we daily drink the essence of the Upanishads, the Gita.
सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्।
I salute the divine son of Vasudev, the destroyer of Kans and Chanur, the supreme bliss of Devaki. I salute Lord Krishna, who is the teacher of the universe. May Krishna lead us, guide us, and protect us.
कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं वसुदेवासुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं।
The ferocious river of the Mahabharat battle had Bhishma and Drona as its banks, Jayadrath as its waters, the king of Gandhar, Shakuni, as a blue boulder, Shalya as a shark, Kripacharya as a current, Karna as an entwining creeper, Ashwathama and Vikarna as terrible crocodiles, and Duryodhan as a whirlpool. Such a dangerous river was crossed successfully by the Pandavas because Keshav or Krishna was their boatman. May the Lord be our boatman and ferry us across the ocean of Sansar or the world.
भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथ जला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वाहने कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामा विकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्ण खलु पाण्डवै रणनदी कैवर्तक केशव कैवर्तक केशव कैवर्तक केशव.
The untarnished lotus of the Mahabharata was born in the lake of the words of Ved Vyas, the son of Parashar. The significance of Gita is its sweet and pleasant fragrance. The many narratives are its inner soft petals, fully blossomed by the stories of Hari, and joyously drunk day after day by the six-legged honeybees, who are the seekers. May the lotus help us overcome the limitations of Kali Yuga, or the Iron Age, and lead us to the supreme good. May the Mahabharata lead us to firmly abide in dharma, or righteousness.
सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोद्गतम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जन षट्पणैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पङ्कजं कलिमला
I salute the supremely blissful Madhav. His grace renders the mute eloquent and allows the crippled to cross mountains. May we surrender to the grace of Madhav.
मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्. मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्. परमानन्दमाधवम् 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 परमानन्द परमानन्द परमानन्दमाधवम्.
The Supreme Lord, whom the Creator Brahmaji, Lord Varuna, Lord Indra, Lord Rudra, and the Lord of Maruts praise with their divine hymns, whom the Sama chanters invoke through the chanting of the Vedas, with their parts in Pada and Krama and the Upanishads, whom the yogis realize with their minds absorbed in perfect meditation, and whose limits are unknown, even to the residents of the heavens and the demons of the netherland. Let us salute him. May we experience oneness with the Lord in our hearts.
यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुता स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः
If devotion could be expressed without words, this dance ballet said it all. Today, on stage, we saw what classical dance and contemporary dance fusion form really means. And we would like to sincerely thank the ones who provided music for this event. Vibhu Nagral, Ajit Nagral, Bir Nagral, and the singer Avanti Nagral. And dear parents, I'm sure you're left in awe when you have witnessed what inspired teamwork can really do. So your children are really in good hands in Chinmaya Mission Bal Vihar and Chinmaya Mission Yuva Kendra. I now request the choreographer of this event, Chick Ankita, to go and receive prasad from Pujya Guruji, Swami Tejomayananda ji. A big round of applause, please, for Ankita.